All right, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. We're going to be a quick tour of an interior stateroom on deck 7. It's going to be 7471. Down here is the way you got to come to enter the room. So you kind of have to walk down that long corridor, come around to the right, and come down this way to get to the interiors. But like I said, I'll go in and show you on the map where we're at. So we're at the front of the ship, forward side of the ship, the red dot there. Like I said, you come off the elevators, you got to walk down, circle back, go turn right, and then come back down to the room. You see right here, there's the main hallway. The elevator's right here. Come down this hallway, and come back to the room. So, like I said, 7471 as you enter the room. On the right-hand side, you've got some 3 hanging hooks here. Bathroom's going to be here on the left. Give you a quick shot of the room here. So this is an interior stateroom. So you have your thermostat here, your lighting controls are here, you have your bathroom light here. Push it and it'll turn the bathroom light on. This is your main switch for your room. So looking in the bathroom, we have our toilet here, you have some shelving right here on the left hand side. You have your shower, which is nice on the Icon class ships. You do have a seat in the shower. And then you have some shelving right here. Your towels are inside the shower. That's another trait that the Icon class does have. You got a couple of hanging hooks in there. Your double duty hair and body wash. So you dispenser inside the shower. Nice shelves here. You got your sink. Full backlit mirror here. Some additional shelving right here. Nice feature too. This ship does have 2 plug-ins, US plug-ins right here. And there's a drawer here. A lot of people don't realize is here. That's where you can store some additional toiletries. Another nice feature of the Icon class ships is you have the thermostat, which is controllable from the app on your smartphone. You control your air up and down. Also, you can adjust your lighting here. If you want to dim the lights to half, you just hit that button and dims all the lighting to half. Turn this back up. You also have a morning setting, an evening setting, a movie setting, and a sleep setting. All right, before we venture into the stateroom, show you here we do have a chair here and a nice footstool ottoman here, and a table that is movable. You have on each side in between the beds. Right now the beds are separated. You can have them pushed together. If you have them pushed together, that nightstand there is on the other side of the bed, and this non-movable table nightstand is right here always. You have your phone on this nightstand, and also you have a plug-in here, and you have a master switch here that will turn the lights off throughout the room. When you get in bed, you can push that switch there and turn the lights off. You do also have a push button here for this lamp here. And same thing on this lamp here. We'll see that when we get over there. But you have a standard USB port here. You have some nice overhead lighting along the bed here, the headboard. TV here, it does not remove from the wall, does not swivel, but it's mounted to the wall. But you do have a large TV here with some additional backlighting. Like I said, there is the additional lamp there with the push button on top and a nightstand with a shelf. Another nice unique feature of this is the closet is an open closet. So as you enter the closet, it's just, you do have this outside of the bathroom. You do also have this area here for makeup and for the second person to get ready. You got a drawer here, another stool here to sit on, and a backlit mirror. And then you also have 2 USB-Cs here, a standard US plug-in, and then you have your switch here that turns the light off in the main living quarters. And then you also have this switch that does the backlighting. And you do have a standard 2 USBs and a European plug-in here. Got a hanging closet here. It does have your Starlink Wi-Fi in the room, so you have a good signal inside the room. 2 hanging hooks, and then you have additional hanging area here with your safe right here. A couple of baskets here you can slide out and store some stuff, and then you have your cooler right here. And you do have an additional full-length mirror here in the room. So, neat setup here as far as the closet. You have this, instead of just a closet, you do also have this area where you can get ready. Second person get ready outside of the bathroom. So really like this setup as far as Icon class, because it's gives essentially a secondary room that's combined with a closet. So One last feature I want to point out is you do have 2 additional USBs right here beside the TV. So a lot of the USB charging capabilities in the room. And for an interior room, it's there's a lot of functionality in this room. So, all right, do me a favor, if you like what you saw, hit that like button. Invite you to subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and we will see you on the next one.